Richterite. Richterite is a sodium-calcium-magnesium silicate mineral belonging to the amphibole group. If iron replaces the magnesium within the structure of the mineral, it is called ferrorichterite. If fluorine replaces the hydroxyl, it is called fluororichterite. Richterite crystals are long and prismatic, or prismatic to fibrous aggregate, or rock-bound crystals. Colors of Richterite range from brown, grayish-brown, yellow, brownish to rose-red, or pale to dark green. Richterite occurs in thermally metamorphosed limestones in contact metamorphic zones. It also occurs as a hydrothermal product in mafic igneous rocks and in manganese-rich ore deposits. Localities include Mont Saint-Hilaire, Quebec, and Wilberforce and Tory Hill, Ontario, Canada, Langbyn and Pagersburg, Sweden, West Kimberley, Western Australia, Sanka, Myanmar, and in the U.S., at Iron Hill, Colorado, Lucite Hills, Wyoming, and Libby, Montana. The mineral was named in 1865 for the German mineralogist Hieronymus Theodor Richter, 1824–1898.